Hello friends, welcome to Zack's pronunciation. The word in this video is abundant. Abundant. Abundant means existing or available in large quantities, overflowing. The tropical rainforest is home to an abundant variety of plants and animals. Abundant. It means existing or available in large quantities. And the antonyms or opposites of abundant are scarce, meager, deficient. Scarce, meager, deficient. Clean drinking water became scarce after the storm. They supplemented their meager earnings by doing odd jobs. A diet low in vegetables can leave you deficient in essential vitamins. Abundant. Abundant means existing or available in large quantities. And the antonyms or opposites of abundant are scarce, meager, deficient. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation and language related videos. See you in the next video.